Good morning from Palma Nova. So I thought I'd video my morning stroll today. So we'll go down this beautiful street, starting off with my favourite bar in the corner here, Bar Cayuga. Absolutely brilliant for sitting, people watching. The tapas is great, the macaronis are great, and of course the cold beer, which is superb, but rather naughty, so that's why I'm doing a lot of walking now. Let's get these calories up for summer. Let's get that beach body in progress. It says it's 25 degrees. Really? I don't think it seems 25 degrees, but you know, maybe that's what they anticipate. A bit of a breeze this morning. I do think it's going to turn out to be a beautiful day today. I love to walk down and see the people sitting, having their coffee, having their chats. Some people after work, some people just chilling out with their friends for a little chat. I love it. So yeah, I'm not sure what the street's actually called, but it's a beautiful street, and it was one of the first streets that greeted me when I moved out here many years ago. And I remember coming down here with my daughter and we hit the little park at the bottom. It was January and she was playing in the park with her top off, and it was like January the 4th, and it was incredible, you know, just noticing the difference in climate between the UK and Mallorca. You know, although the winters can get a bit fresh. December and January are always good months usually. So here we are, that's my Rocky, which I use for certain things because it sells a few products that I like, including my soya milk from Alpro. But there's a lot of good supermarkets right on the doorstep. Mercadona, Lidl, Aldi. So yeah, I'm going to show you this beautiful stretch of Palma Nova Beach, which is it's stunning, I think. So that used to be a pizza place on the corner. I was sitting there for years, and now I do believe the owners of Ciso Beach, San Mateus area, have took over that. So that should be a really classy, nice little establishment coming up very soon. Hard working on that as we speak. So there you go. There's a little park over there that me and my daughter all those years ago. Oh, some beautiful yachts and boats out there this morning, so we're going to have a little look at them. But what I do love about this stretch of Palma Nova Beach is how white the sand is, you know. It's absolutely gorgeous. And there's a little marina over there where that guy's in the sea over there, where I take Emma and the girls when they come over. They absolutely love it. Got a little slidey there going down the beach, climbing frame. We have beautiful big boats over there. Wow. So yeah, this is Palma Nova. I would like to say this is my local beach. This is the beach we come to with family and friends when we're over, because it's so close. And you can just pop over to a Roski over there and get yourself some refreshments. So yeah, good morning from Mallorca. I won't bore you anymore because I think this is long enough, but this is one of my morning strolls. And this is a little bit further along. It's great, they've got like volleyball happening quite a lot at the minute, so it's a great atmosphere on the beach. There's the world's best McDonald's. There's the best views from McDonald's, but if you go to McDonald's, there's no better one because you can sit outside and you can see that. So yeah, and over there's the San Mateus area, Palma Nova, taking you up to Terranova, which is the hill cliff that takes you out to Magaluf. So, good morning from Mallorca. I hope you're happy wherever you are. Have a great day.